This pressure washing disc has made pressure washing my patio and driveway so much easier. It attaches to the end of the pressure washer hose, and how it works is if you look at the bottom of it, there are two jets that spin. So look, when I lift it over, you could see that there's two jets and it spins really fast, so you get a big surface area and the wheels make it slide really good. If you have a strong pressure washer, mine is I think 3300 psi, you could go pretty fast and it just eats right through the dirt. Even on this part of my patio where it is very uneven and not level, you could still use it on a non-level surface, and it's a little bit harder to move, but it works really good and it powers right through all the dirt. This is years and years of dirt coming off of my patio in just a couple of minutes. Really cool. You could actually see all the dirt coming off. It's easy to use, easy to maneuver into tight spaces. And now you could see all this dirty water building up around it. What you do is just take off the disc and then use a different attachment to spray off the water and then keep on going. It works really good, just powers right through any type of dirt. The wheels have really good bearings. They slide really nice and smooth, so it doesn't take a lot of energy. It doesn't tire you out as fast as if you were just using the regular nozzle. It's just been such a game changer, and it has lasted. It's a pretty simple device. There's just wheels, the thing that spins on the bottom, and it's made out of good metal. It hasn't eroded or rusted at all, and I store it in my garage, and it just is so satisfying using this thing. It's made the whole job 10 times easier. If anybody pressure washes driveways, patios, or any type of floor, I would recommend this product.